HV50 going that way, and HV56 going this way. Okay, see that one that was just on my side right now, HV56 here? I can sense there's therefore some type of exhaust leak going on there, but it's a small one. It's not that big, but it's a small leak. You can sense it, bro. The overly, like, you know the vibration you get from the exhaust. Like, sometimes, you know when it's like overly like louder, like you can sense when it's a tad bit louder than usual. Like, you know the low pitch part of the engine, right? Like, I mean, you could call that the car part, the car sounding part of the engine. And then you've got the engine mode. But yeah, the car sounding part of the engine, if that sounds a bit louder than usual, you can tell there's a bit of an exhaust leak going on there, because usually when an exhaust leak forms, the low pitch part of the engine starts to get a bit louder. The low pitch part, you do hear it most of the time. That's what creates the engine's iconic tune in it, with the engine mode on these Cummins engines. I mean, these engines for buses, because that uses Volvo's own engine, it doesn't use Cummins engine. And it's a 5-piston as well, I think. No, it's either 4 or 5-piston when B5RH is used. Wait, no, it's 4-piston. It's 4-piston. It's got to be 4-piston, because if it's 5-piston, right, bro, you can make that sound like a V10 if you rev it high enough. Nah, it's 4-piston. Because you know 5-piston engines sound similar to, they sound the same as 10-piston engines for some odd reason.